Have you ever been driving with your dash camera and you wished you could actually just show the front, rear, and interior camera all as one, interlaced as one video? Instead, what you have to do is you have to log in to your dash camera, download the separate front videos, download the separate rear video, download the separate interior video. Well, guess what? What if I told you you didn't have to wait anymore and you could download one seamless video in the new multiplexer mode on the Viofo A329S? Imagine you're an Uber driver and you're trying to display this story of how you were driving and something was going on in the interior or behind you. And now you could download the video and it will show all three aspects at the same time in one video file, making it way easier for you than ever before. Well, let's show you how this works. Okay, let's dive into this brand new feature on the Viofo A329S, Multiplex Video. Okay, so we're going to the Multiplex Video. And as you can see, I'm going to turn it to off. That way we can show you how the Viofo dash camera normally works in this mode. Now, if you already own a Viofo dash camera, then you're already going to know how you normally can get a front, rear, and interior video file. But for people who might be new to Viofo dash cameras, we want to show them exactly how this works. So I'm going to go to the external SSD and we're going to view the video files that are available on the dash camera. And as you can see, there's a separate front video file, separate interior video file, and separate rear video file. So now when I go back and I'm going to go into the settings on the Viofo A329S dash camera. And once we go directly into the settings, we're going to go back down to Multiplex Video. And when we go down to Multiplex Video, I'm going to change it to front and interior. So now it's going to take the front and interior video and sew it into one video file. So we're going to go back into live view mode and we're going to give it a few seconds to recording. That way it can create the separate multiplex video. So once we've given it a few seconds here, we're going to go directly back into the bottom left corner and view the video files that are on the external SSD. Keep in mind, you can do this on the SSD or the micro SD card. Now, when I look at the front video file is going to show me the front and interior video file all sewed together as one video file. So now you could just download the front and interior together, or if you go to rear, you can download the rear video file as a separate video file. So depending on your driving style or preference, you can actually change these settings. And now we're going to go directly into settings again, go into multiplex video, and we're going to change it to front and rear. So now what this will do is it will actually seam the front and rear video files together as one video download. So we're going to give it a few seconds in live view again. In order to actually create a video, always make sure the red button at the bottom there turns red from white. That way you know it is recording. So as we keep going, we're going to go directly and view video files again and go right back into the external SSD. And you'll see when we go here and click on the front video file again, we will actually click on the separate video and you can see it's front and rear together as one video file. We go to interior, it's one separate video file as well. And now we're going to go right back into settings and go back to multiplex video again. I know it's a little monotonous, but realistically, I just want to make sure everybody fully understands how this feature works depending on your setup. So now when we go in here, we're going to change to front, interior, and rear. And once you actually change it to that setting, it will now put the front, interior, and rear video files together as one video file. So we're going to let it play for a few seconds here in live view mode again. That way it's gathering some footage. And then we're going to go back into the bottom left corner and view our external SSD. And once we click on the external SSD so we can view the video files, we're going to see that all three video files have been linked together into one video file under the front heading. And you can download that as one video file. I hope this is a very good explanation of how the new multiplex video works If you actually feel that this is a video feature or a dash cam feature that you are after, the Viofo A329S, as far as I know, is the only one that offers this through the actual dash camera. If not, what we have to do is you have to download the 3 separate video files together as 3 separate video files, and then you have to use some sort of video editing program in order to actually put them together as one video file. I hope you enjoyed our new video on the multiplex video option of the Viofo A329S. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you want to look to support us at all, we're safedrivesolutions.com. We do ship dash cameras to the United States and Canada. We also offer professional dash camera installation in Greater Vancouver or Greater Toronto, Canada. Thanks again.